Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. A very happy Diwali to everyone on both the channels. Now this video is going on smartphone tutorials as well as on Kratos 390. We are having a lot of fun, so I thought might as well share this video with you guys. Enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the whole atmosphere that is there in Mumbai. I will see you guys on the bike and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Happy Diwali again. So hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials and welcome to Kratos 390. First of all, a very happy Diwali to everyone, and may this year bring all the happiness, all the joy to each one of you, and all your wishes may come true. Now, आज का वीडियो थोड़ा अलग है, दिवाली है, celebrations चालू है, and if you are from my smartphone channel, well, the reason, मैं मेरे smartphone channel के audience को जब address करूँगा, I'll be speaking in English because I have a lot of international audience as well. So, so this particular video or vlog will be going on both the channels, and it's a beautiful festive evening in the city of Mumbai. We are at Marine Drive right now. A lot of firecrackers, a lot of traffic, a lot of pollution, but overall a lot of positivity and a lot of fun. So right now हम जा रहे हैं फहाद से मिलने के लिए, और हमारा एक और फ्रेंड है FZ16 पे जो हमारे साथ राइड करने वाला है. This is not a long ride by any means. I just thought that, as I stay in South Mumbai, Marine Drive is like 2 minutes away, and the ambience over here in Diwali is just amazing. बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है मरीन ड्राइव दिवाली की रात को. So आज वो टाइम है एंड अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 9:19. So बहुत सारे फायर क्रैकर्स बर्स्ट होने वाले हैं. आप लोगों को बहुत सारा अच्छा म्यूज़िक, अच्छा टाइम लैप्स. सो दिस व्लॉग इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन, और हम बहुत सारी बातें भी करने वाले हैं. हम ये भी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दैट व्हाई हैवंट आई बीन अपलोडिंग रेगुलरली ऑन माय स्मार्टफोन चैनल, जिस पे नॉर्मली मैं महीने के एटलीस्ट 20 या 25 वीडियोस डाल देता हूँ. Alright, so usual drill at Marine Drive on a Diwali Eve. Super bikes, super cars, a lot of crackers, a lot of people, a lot of positive energy. So yeah, getting back to the discussion. Family के साथ लोग कट मार लेते हैं, वाह भाई. Yeah, so getting back to the discussion, why I haven't been uploading on my smartphone channel. Well, I was using the Asus Zenfone Pro M1, and to keep it short, that phone was having issues. उसके बाद मैंने Note 5 Pro लिया, and right now I'm using a Redmi 6 Pro. 60 is a different story, उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे. But Xiaomi, I'm not gonna spend or spoil my Diwali by ranting about how pathetic or how bad I think the policy of bootloader unlock by Xiaomi is, but they want me to wait a month. So yeah, probably apart from Rolex, Xiaomi devices, not really. So yeah, Note 5 Pro and Redmi 6 Pro, the two Xiaomi devices that I have with me right now, जिसमें मैंने सोचा था कि I will make a lot of development videos. Heck, I also have a Redmi Note 5 which also has a lot of custom ROMs, so उसमें भी बहुत सारे videos, there were a lot of videos that were gonna come, but all the devices are locked and I am stuck. So smartphone tutorials will get back in action in a couple of days. A lot of interesting stuff is coming on that channel, but this video is to thank you guys for all the support and to wish you guys a very happy Diwali. Happy Diwali bhai, Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali sir. Happy Diwali. Marine Drive is to the left and there's just going to be fireworks from here all the way till the end of Girgaon Chowpatty, that is towards Walkeshwar. So look at the amount of people, look at the amount of energy, look at the amount of enthusiasm, the way, I mean, there is, of course, there is a lot of pollution, but let's not call it pollution. अब बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कहते हैं कि ये pollution है, ये है, वो है. I agree, I am not denying that it is not pollution, but then again, come on, this is a lot of fun as well, right? अगर ये 365 days a year होता तो it would have been pollution. थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, पटाखे इतने सारे फूट रहे हैं आसपास. So yeah, sort of a throwback comment for this channel. This channel is very small right now. We have like 115 or 16 odd subscribers, and the reason I'm saying this is because I want to look back to this video a year later, maybe next Diwali, that is Diwali 2019, and see where we stand, because that is something I didn't do something like that on my smartphone channel, and it is growing quite well. You are liking the stuff that you see on smartphone tutorials. So फाइनली प्राइम एरिया से, यानी कि जो मेन एरिया है मरीन ड्राइव का, जिम खाना के सामने, जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा, वो देखो, डू यू सी, इज दैट हाउ यू ड्राइव ऑन अ फेस्टिव डे? जस्ट लुक एट दैट इनोवा गाय. If I capture his number, yeah, I am going to, and that is not how you drive. I mean, लोग क्रॉस करते हैं. People can be so irresponsible. I mean, seriously. MH43AN 9954. Game over. Hoonigan. Yeah, my bike is known as a hoonigan as well, but you don't see me riding like that on public roads, do you? Seriously, दिवाली का दिन है, देखिए. Alright, so बहुत मजे कर लिए. गेटवे जाने का प्लान था. So yeah, enjoy some time lapse and see you in the next vlog. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye. Mumbai ज़्यादा लाइट मत मारो, fast bike please. This is how we celebrate in the city of that was